Hello guys, my name is Dan and today I will show you how to open a link with JavaScript. So it's very obvious that JavaScript itself is a programming language and it needs HTML because of course it do. So as you can see, first of all, open your preferred code editor. Here I'm going to use Visual Studio Code right here. Now you don't need to specifically use Visual Studio Code like I do, but here's the thing though, you certainly need to, because of course to follow my tutorial is to use the same tool. Okay, so the point is that I highly recommend you to use Visual Studio Code so you can follow along much easier. But if you don't want to, then you can always use your preferred code editor. Alright, so as you can see, first of all, the obvious is to create an HTML file first. Now click this new file, create new file right here, index.html. Now follow along, type doc, and this will generate this HTML code right here. Again, doc. Now go ahead and create a JavaScript file. Name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it function.js. Alright, so as you can see, save it by using Control S. Now Control S, or you can just manually do it on the file and then save. Now type, you can either use two things, like for example you can use an A tag or the link tag, or you can use the button tag. For this we are going to use the link tag first and then we are going to use the button tag. Click me to open the link. Now as you can see, if we show this in File Explorer, you will see that it has two. And now it's a bit messy, so we are going to add a line break or the BR tag. Save that. There we go, and add it more. Alright, so time for the JavaScript function, shall we? Now as you can see, function open link. You can name your JavaScript function anything, like any name you like. We're just going to use open link now. Window.open. This is HTTPS. Now as you can see, this is really useful if you are, to add a semicolon is useful like as an indicator. JavaScript doesn't require you to add semicolon, but it's useful to indicate whether or not a code is complete. But I'm just not going to use a semicolon because I don't see the point. Now as you can see, if you want to do it on an A tag, the first thing you need to do is you have to add JavaScript to indicate that you are going to execute a JavaScript code. So open link, JavaScript function, yes. Before we are about to do this, since we are doing this on an external file, type script source. The source of our script shall be function.javascript. Now as you can see, Alright, once we open this, there we go. Good. Am I right? Now, as you can see, for the function, for the button, all you have to do is really simple actually. You don't need to type like this JavaScript. No, all you have to do is type on click and specify what function you are going to use. Open that. Yeah, we'll start. There we go. And voila. Now as you can see, that's pretty much it. That's how you open a link with JavaScript. Now this is useful if you want to use a button, but if you want to use the A tag to open link, that I don't see why you need to use a JavaScript. You can just paste the freaking link and call it a day. Also, side note, if you want to open the link in the new tab, then you can always use like blank. There we go. And just like the A tag with its blank parameter, JavaScript works this like similar to that. But anyways, that is it for now, guys. That's how you open a link with JavaScript. If you like this tutorial and find it very helpful, be sure to give it a like and leave a comment. Share this video on your social media account if you share this video if you find it very useful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.